Randy Rain here, and check it out. I have a Transmobot by Supertoys, whoever that is, but it's Van-tastic, so this is
Robot Garage.
I saw the original Star Wars movie at a drive-in movie theater, so I'm a little old for the transforming robot thing. So I'm not into this one. So I'm going to put this on eBay. Let's see how it works, and I'll get it fixed up. Alright, so I don't want to force it down, of course. So I'm just going to take it apart just like this. But you can see it's a forward straight and reverse turn with this little wheel here. That's an idle wheel. And the motor's connected to that one. It has the forward and reversed. And so there must be another motor in there to make it switch from the robot to the van. Let's have a look inside. Let's see. And that comes off. The side come off. Yep. There's the two motors. Does this pin come out? It does. And that falls out with it too. It's like a gear. And it has a little nub thing on it that locks it into place. That looks like it just takes this green thing off. I think that just gets you to the wheel. Yeah. There's a little something broken here. Where'd that come from? Oh, there's a spring here too. Didn't see that. Wonder where the hell that was. Missed that one. I'll have to figure that out. Okay, the motors are falling out. I don't think that's doing anything. That is, though. And that ain't no good. Let me go find that. Alright, I got lucky on that one. Luckily, I heard where it landed. That comes off. There we go. Now we're inside. Here's a little slip gear. There's an idle gear, and that's a spring-loaded gear. There's two idle gears here. More idle gears. That one. I don't know, all these gears look fine. Oh. Idle gear. With a little spacer. And this all seems fine to me. One of them hits there. I see. Okay, so this one is driving the wheels. Then the other one would be in here. Like that. So put that just aside for now. Let's look at these gears. That one's starting to crack. And that one's starting to crack. Oh, only one left. Time to order some more. And these are the kind that are all crimped together. Let's see what happens with the 9-volt. It works. I'm just going to squirt some lithium grease into these things. The brushes are down in there. This goes in, slides over. Now, there we go. And this one. Right there. That works. Just all some cleaning while it's out. That one in there. I found where the broken piece came off of. It's in here. I think I can take this off right here. So, get that van piece off. Okay. So that does. Put this broken piece right here. We'll take this off here. And that comes off. And now it's this piece right here, this little black piece. I'm going to take it off as well. Yep, it's starting to crack and stuff too. Let's see if I can use some plastic weld. That's where it goes, right there. Okay, let that dry for a while. It's also cracking over here. I wonder if I put it in between here. That. Put it in my little mini vise. Yeah, let that fuse together. Let's have a look at this other side over here. See how this one's doing. It's cracked too. That's pretty good. I was giving it a good cleaning, but this is broken here. Guess we can look in here while all that's curing. The terminals look good. Those are pretty standard here. Oh, it's made kind of neat. I kind of like that. These two pieces here. And each one corresponds with a screw post. See a little cracking there in that one, a little that one. It all looks so good in here, except just a little dirty. Now, of course, this works just like all of them. These pieces here, this one and this one is connected to the motor. This one and this one is connected to the motor. And then this metal piece and this metal piece is connected to the battery. And this metal piece and this metal piece down here is connected to the battery. So let's say this is negative. I don't know if it is or not, but it doesn't matter. But let's say these two are negative from the battery. And right now, both sides of the motor are pushing up on this and touching that. So both sides are getting negative. Let's say down here is positive. When you move the joystick, it pushes one of these down. And when it does, it takes one side away from negative and makes it go positive. So now the motor goes one direction. Do it the other way and it goes the other direction. Same thing over here. That's one direction, that's the other direction. As this rocks back and forth. Everything's clean. That guy goes in there. Alright, let's start with this one. There. Yeah. Okay. Get in there. Okay, well this one is very fiddly, that's for sure. Get in. Okay. That's that. I did not see where this spring comes out. So that spring, I would imagine, wants to make it do that. So it has to go in like this. Just like that. Now, it goes in there. Yeah. There. That gets there. Because that's slid in. Ah, I missed. This has to go there. I didn't see that. Alright. Let's try to loosen it up. Can I fit that in there? There. Come on. Right. So there it is, a Transmobot Van-tastic. Now, I was a little too old to get into the transforming robot craze, so I'm not going to be keeping this one. This one is on eBay right now. And if you want to help the channel out, go put a bid down on a Transmobot Van-tastic. But you want to see it in action? Well, here it is. So I guess it's a combination Transformer and a Gobot. Instead of a Gobot, it's a Mobot. I guess the Mo part comes from these bright day glow colors it has. Very George Michael from the 80s. So if you want this Transmobot Van-tastic, there's a link below. It's on eBay. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people here. These are my patrons. These are the people that I can't believe I have, and I appreciate them oh so very much. And they are the ones that keep me going, and I couldn't do any of this stuff without them. So I thank them oh so very, very much. And if you'd like to become a patron, of course, there are links and perks and stuff. So go check it out. Anyway, that's it. Van-tastic. That was
Robot Garage.